Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on TV screen using InShot to create YouTube intro. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my InShot and first thing first, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to go to the video section and I'm going to tap on new and we're going to choose the blank clip, this one, and click on the check mark. And after that, I'm going to change the canvas. I'm going to select the YouTube ratio 16:9. Okay, and we're going to change the background color, but wait, I'm going to adjust the duration like this, and you can go to the background if you want to change the background color, and I'm just going to choose this color. All right, and click on this check mark. Okay, and after that, I'm going to add the TV screen to my project. I'm going to go to the PIP and then go to the InShot material and go to the picture category. Okay, this one. And you can scroll down until you find the TV screen. Good, guys. Just keep scrolling. Okay, and this is the TV screen. I'm going to add it to my project and I'm going to zoom in like this. Wait. Okay, and I'm going to put transition. Wait, we can go to the PIP again and I'm going to go to the material and go to the transition. Okay, and I'm going to choose this transition and I'm going to zoom in like this and click on the layer to reorder the layer like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add my video. I'm going to put my video to the TV screen. We can go to the PIP again and I'm just going to select this video. Okay, and we can tap on the layer to fit the screen like this. Wait guys, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, and I'm going to cut my video. Alright. Okay, wait. Okay, and I'm going to add text to my video. I'm just going to add welcome to my channel. Okay, then I'm going to change the font. Okay, maybe this one, guys. Wait. Okay, and let's see the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to put yourself on TV screen using InShot to create YouTube intro. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.